Hello everyone and welcome to today's lesson in our data science and AI lecture series presented by PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we are diving into an essential concept in data visualization, the frequency polygon. And for more resources, you can visit www.postnetwork.co, YouTube channel, PostNetwork Academy Facebook page, LinkedIn page. Now, in data science, one of our core tasks is to make sense of data, often by spotting trends or comparing groups. But raw numbers alone does not always make patterns clear. That's where visualizations come in. They help us see the bigger picture. So today we will walk through about a specific type of visualization, the frequency polygon. So frequency polygon is a line graph that displays data distributions by connecting points that represent the frequency of each data interval. It is useful for comparing distributions and observing frequency trends. Now, how to construct a frequency polygon? That means steps to construct a frequency polygon. So first of all, we will determine midpoints. So we will add lower limit plus upper limit and we will divide it by 2. So we will get midpoints. So we will plot each point and thereafter we will connect points. So we will link the points in a sequence using straight lines. Extend the line to the x-axis at the start and end of the interval. So beginning point and the last point should be at x-axis. So already I have connected at 0 0 and at 5 5. That means max is 5 and frequency is 5 and range is 0 to 10. So you can see that the red point. Now next data point you will see. So range is 10 to 20. If you calculate midpoint, so that would be 15 and frequency is 10. So on x-axis midpoint is there and y-axis marks or frequencies, not marks, number of students, and in x-axis marks. That means you can see that 15 and 10 on the y-axis. Third point, 10 to 30. So you will get midpoint, so that would be 25 and frequency is 4. That means 25 students, 25, you can say that 4 students have got 25 marks. Here you can say that class interval is 30 to 40. If you take midpoint, so that is 35. And frequency is 6. That means 6 students have got 35 marks. Next, here for 45, frequency is 7. For 55, frequency is 3. For 65, frequency is 2. For 75, again frequency is 2. 85, frequency is 3. And 95, frequency is 9. And as I explained you in the previous slide, that last point we will connect to x-axis. So this is the frequency polygon what I was explaining you. So you might wonder why use a frequency polygon instead of just a histogram. As I explained in the last video, I explained you histogram. So here are a few key reasons. Smooth and trend lines, because frequency polygons use connected lines instead of bars. They make it easier to identify trends in data like peaks and valleys. Second, comparison of multiple distributions. if we want to compare two or more data distributions on the same graph. Frequency polygons are very convenient. The overlapping lines help us compare frequencies across intervals without the cluster of stacked bars. Third one, simple data summarization. Frequency polygons provides a clean and straightforward summary of frequency data. They give a clearer look at data spread and they often feel less clustered than histograms. So this extended introduction provides more context on why frequency polygons are valuable, especially in fields like data science and AI, where visualizing trends and comparing distribution can lead to deeper insights. So hope you have understood this concept. See you in the next video.